Looking to cook crispy, golden fish outdoors? The best outdoor fish fryer lets you fry up delicious meals with ease. Perfect for backyard cookouts, camping trips, or tailgate parties, enjoy restaurant-quality fried fish right at home. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Creole TFS 3010 Propane. The Creole TFS 3010 Propane Outdoor Fish Fryer is a complete cooking system for anyone serious about outdoor frying. This well-rounded kit includes a 30-quart pot, a 10-quart pot, a perforated fryer steamer basket, a thermometer, turkey rack, lifting hook, marinade injector, and a sturdy burner stand with an LP hose and regulator. Its thoughtful combo design gives you options. The 30-quart pot can handle turkeys or seafood boils with or without the basket, while the 10-quart fryer is ideal for fish, chicken wings, fries, and other smaller items. While it's not designed for heavy turkeys in the smaller pot, it excels at handling large batches of fish and seafood. The 50,000 BTU cast iron burner delivers the high output needed for consistent, rapid heating, a critical feature when deep frying. An adjustable air control panel fine-tunes oxygen and gas consumption, keeping the flame clean and steady. The addition of a marinade injector lets you flavor your turkey or seafood before cooking, while the long probe thermometer ensures you maintain the perfect oil temperature throughout. A lifting handle makes removing your cooked items safer and simpler. Built for durability, the Creole TFS 3010 features a square, all-welded steel stand with 4 triangle-reinforced legs for solid footing. This prevents tipping and adds peace of mind during high-heat cooking. Dual-riveted heat-resistant handles on the pots allow for safe handling and transportation. Whether you're hosting a fish fry, steaming shrimp, or boiling jambalaya, this fryer's versatility stands out. It's perfectly suited for backyard parties, tailgates, and holiday gatherings. Number 2. Gas One Propane Fryer. The Gas One Propane Fryer is a compact yet powerful outdoor fish fryer designed for versatility and convenience. Whether you're deep frying crispy chicken wings or preparing a fresh batch of fried fish, this propane fryer ensures consistently great results. Built from premium-grade durable materials, it features a stainless steel burner and an aluminum 10-quart pot with a smooth, easy-to-clean finish. Its reliable construction promises years of dependable outdoor use, making it a favorite for home cooks and outdoor enthusiasts alike. This propane fryer kit comes equipped with all the essentials for a seamless frying experience. Included are a 10-quart aluminum pot, a strainer basket, a 5-inch thermometer for precise oil temperature monitoring, a sturdy burner, a propane regulator, and a hose. The capacity is perfect for small to medium batches, which makes it great for fish fries, camping trips, tailgates, or backyard gatherings. You'll love how evenly it fries fish, chicken legs, shrimp, or fries, providing a crispy exterior without overcooking the inside. Another standout feature is its portability. The compact size and lightweight design make it easy to transport and set up, whether at the campsite or beside the patio. Despite its smaller size, it delivers reliable power and even heat distribution, ensuring your meals cook quickly and evenly. The Gas One Propane Fryer is highly versatile, working well for frying a variety of foods and making it a reliable outdoor companion. Number 3. Vevor Propane Fryer. The Vevor Propane Fryer stands out as a heavy-duty dual-tank option ideal for large gatherings or commercial use. With 2 separate frying tanks, each offering a 2-gallon capacity, this fryer lets you cook different types of food at the same time without flavor cross-contamination. It's a perfect choice for those who love hosting fish fries, family barbecues, or tailgate parties where variety is essential. Each tank has its own fire control system, letting you adjust the heat independently for each side, a big advantage when cooking multiple dishes with different oil temperature needs. Durability and convenience are built into its design. The fryer includes 2 upgraded side tables, providing ample space for prepping ingredients, holding cooking utensils, or resting cooked food. This feature enhances efficiency by keeping your tools and ingredients within reach during high-volume cooking sessions. The hollow panel design makes it easy to monitor the flames, and an included thermometer helps maintain precise oil temperatures. Designed exclusively for outdoor use, the Vevor fryer prioritizes safety with CSA-certified hose connectors and clear safety guidelines. It's essential to assemble it properly and tighten all connections before use to prevent accidents. Gloves are recommended during operation, and you should always defrost food to avoid dangerous oil splatters. Number 4. Feasto Propane Deep Fryer. The Feasto Propane Deep Fryer is a robust dual-tank outdoor fryer perfect for hosting fish fry events, family gatherings, or large backyard parties. Featuring 2 separate tanks with a combined capacity of 4 gallons, it lets you cook different dishes simultaneously, ensuring no flavor mixing and faster service for hungry guests. Dual cast iron burners produce a powerful 50,000 BTU output, providing quick and even heating, ideal for frying fish, French fries, chicken wings, and more. A key highlight is its independent temperature control system. Each tank has its own thermometer, giving you precise command over oil temperature in both tanks. This ensures your food cooks evenly and at the right heat, reducing the chances of undercooking or burning. Additionally, the dual thermometers help monitor and adjust temperatures on the fly, which is a must for outdoor deep frying. Feasto enhances convenience with 2 foldable side tables, offering ample space for prepping food, setting down utensils, or holding cooked items. This thoughtful design feature keeps your work area organized and clutter-free, adding efficiency to your outdoor cooking experience. Mobility is also addressed with 2 durable wheels, allowing you to move the fryer effortlessly across your yard or patio. The ability to relocate it easily means you can set up your cooking station wherever it's most convenient. Number 5. Gas One Double Fryer. The Gas One Double Fryer is built for serious outdoor cooking enthusiasts who need power, capacity, and versatility. Made from high-grade, durable materials, it combines an 18-quart aluminum pot, a rust-proof metal body, and a robust cast-iron burner head to deliver long-lasting performance. Designed to withstand heavy outdoor use, it's easy to clean and maintain, perfect for weekend fish fries, camping, or professional setups. One of the standout features is its large 18-quart pot, capable of handling large batches of fish, chicken wings, shrimp, or fries with ease. The fryer comes with 2 strainer baskets, letting you cook different items simultaneously. Whether you're frying fish in one basket and fries in another, or handling 2 kinds of seafood, this double fryer streamlines your cooking process and saves time. The Gas One Double Fryer also includes an accurate thermometer, which is essential for achieving perfect frying temperatures. It takes the guesswork out of determining when your oil is ready and helps you maintain consistent heat during cooking. Its versatility makes it suitable for frying meats, seafood, cheese, or even vegetables. It's especially effective for fish fries, where you need to work quickly and efficiently. Despite its heavy-duty construction, the fryer remains portable and easy to set up, making it a reliable choice for both casual backyard cooks and seasoned outdoor chefs. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.